Hi, I'm Apurvi and today we are making Kadai Paneer Naan as a finger food here in Spoiled by Coco. Let's begin. For making naan, in a bowl take warm water. Add caster sugar in it and mix to dissolve. Then add instant yeast, mix to dissolve and keep it aside for 10 minutes till the mixture turns frothy. Once it is frothy, add all-purpose flour, salt, yogurt, it will give additional softness, oil or ghee. First mix with a spoon to combine everything. Then knead it for 6 to 8 minutes if using electric kneader or 12 to 15 minutes if kneading by hands. Add flour if you feel like dough is extremely sticky and is difficult to handle, or water 1 tablespoon at a time if dough feels dry. This dough will be slightly sticky, so keep that in mind while kneading. After 8 minutes our dough is ready. I'm going to bring it together. Lightly pour some oil and grease the bowl and dough. Smooth it out and keep it in a bowl covered with a kitchen towel or cling film to let it proof till it doubles in size. In the meanwhile, for that, first in a pan roast some spices: cumin seed, coriander seed, dry red chilli, and some black peppercorns. Roast them on a low flame till they turn aromatic and you'll notice a slight change in color. Let them cool down before grinding. I like this masala coarse, it gives a nice bite, texture and looks good, though you can grind to a fine powder in a blender. Our Kadhai Paneer masala is ready. Now in the same pan, I'll add little bit of oil and saute some finely chopped capsicum to retain its texture on high flame. Chop it finely since we are using Kadhai Paneer as a filling to our naan and not serving it separately. Once done, keep it in a bowl. Now in the same pan, add oil. Once it's hot, add Kashmiri red chilli powder. It will give nice color. Finely chopped tomatoes, salt to taste. Cook them till they are soft and mushy. Now add sauteed capsicum, prepared kadai paneer masala, and small cubes of paneer. Shape them small since this way our naan dough will not tear while stuffing and baking, so chop your veggies to a small size. Gently mix everything well. Further cook on low flame for 4 to 5 minutes. Keep the kadai paneer thick with less water as more moisture content will make our naan soggy. Keep it aside and cool completely. Our dough have risen well. Knock it off to release trapped air. Lightly dust working station with flour. Transfer the dough on it and knead for a minute or two. Form a ball. Divide the dough into 4 equal parts and roll each quadrant to shape. Tuck all its corners and roll between your palm to form a smooth dough ball. Dust some flour on a plate and place shaped dough balls on it. Shape rest of them similarly. Cover and keep aside for second proofing for half an hour. After second proofing, naan dough will rise slightly. Dust working station with some flour. Place one dough ball and roll into a circular shape. Roll out another naan as well. Then, just like for pizza, flip the rollout sheet onto your back of your hand. This way it makes it easier to transfer the dough without the risk of tearing it. Lightly grease baking tray. Transfer the rolled naan onto it. Place the filling generously on it, leaving the edges. Then cover with another rolled out sheet of naan dough. Brush the edges with water. I forgot to do so before covering with another naan dough. Water will help seal the edges. Pinch the side to seal. Then to create a pattern, simply fold the edges inward and seal properly. Brush the surface with ghee, butter or oil. I'm using ghee. Sprinkle prepared Kadai Paneer masala generously. Chop coriander leaves. Before baking, make some slits. I'm using a scissor to cut the dough. You can use a knife to make slits. This will prevent a naan from puffing up while baking. Now bake these in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 7 to 10 minutes till they appear to be cooked and the top surface have nice golden color on top. It has baked so well, brush it immediately with ghee or melted butter. Serve it warm. You can serve it along with some coriander chutney. Like the video and subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the bell icon to get notified of my new videos. I'll slice it to show you the inside. It is a unique and different party snack to try than the common one that are often served. Do try this recipe and tell me in the comment section how did it turn out. Thank you for watching. Spoiled by Coco.